afternoon and welcome. Today we gather to remember, honor, and celebrate the life of Kate Millett. Whether you are Kate's family, friends, or just an admirer, thank you for being here. I'm the Reverend Vogel, the senior minister here at Fourth Universalist Society, and it's a great privilege to be with you on this special day. Today we mark the passing of someone who was deeply loved, not only for her accomplishments, which were many, but also for the person she was. Kate helped lay the foundation for a new kind of feminism, and yet she was also kind, unassuming, and a loyal friend. She was a fierce advocate for the marginalized and the underdog, a lover of the arts, and possessed an open mind, brilliant, that led her to identify structures of inequality in truly revolutionary kinds of ways. We here at Fourth Universalist are especially touched to host Kate's service. It's a reunion of sorts. 52 years ago, Kate was married right here. But even beyond that, our congregation, our values, Unitarian Universalism, our faith tradition, we hope represents the kind of community that Kate would believe in. Our tradition was the first to ordain women into the clergy, all the way back in 1863, and has counted among its members feminists like Elizabeth Cady Stanton and Susan B. Anthony. It is in this radical and remarkable spirit that we honor Kate's life today. And while we mourn for Kate, let us celebrate the person she was and affirm the life she lived. Let us remember that so long as we embody the spirit of her life, she is never truly gone and lives within us. In this sacred and special time today, we can find comfort in these words by the Unitarian Universalist minister, Kenneth Collier. I do not know where we go when we die. I do not know what the soul is, or what death is, or when, or why. What I know is that the song once sung cannot be unsung, and the life once lived cannot be unlived, and the love once loved cannot be unloved. May our time together today pay tribute to Kate's memory for the love and light and song she brought into this world and to all of us. Thank you again for being here, and welcome. Our service today begins with a song.